In this video I'm going to show you how to add a story on Facebook Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Facebook Messenger app and here at the bottom right hit Add Stories. Now there tap on that plus sign to start creating a new story, and there you can hit on camera to take a picture, or you can select some media from your iPhone's gallery. So I'll select that video file, just hit on that, and now I can edit it. I can first hit there add text to add there some text. Also, I can change the color of the text and I can highlight this text if I want, and also I can change the position of this text simply tapping on that icon. When I have finished with text, I can tap done, and now I can change the size of this text just by dragging the edges of this text box. Also, I can change its position, and now I can add there some stickers. Here I can tap add stickers icon, and now I can select one of that stickers. I'll select that one. Also, I can change the position and the size of the sticker. I can rotate it if I want. And next, I can trim this video if I want. For that, I have to hit on that scissors icon, and now I can trim the video just by dragging the edges of the video. So I can now trim the end, and also I can trim the beginning of that video. When I have finished, I can tap on done, and also there I can hit add volume icon to mute this video. Now there left one more feature. I can tap on that line icon, and now I can, using my finger, draw something on that screen, and I can change the color of that line if I want, and also the size of that line. Now I can hit on done, and the last thing that I can set up is privacy. I can hit there at privacy icon, and now what can I do? I can set up who can see my story. By default it's just friends, but I can switch this option to public to show that story to any person all over the internet, or I can hit there at custom to select some specific people that I want to share story. I can just simply check mark those person and then hit on apply. Now I can tap at OK, and once I have finished there, I can just tap on save. And now all I can do, I can hit there at share now button to share that story on my Facebook Messenger. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.